I'm a huge fan, understanding expressions of admiration. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, I'm a huge fan of. This expression is commonly used to show enthusiasm or admiration for someone or something. Whether you're navigating social conversations or diving into the world of English entertainment, understanding this phrase will surely come in handy. Let's get started. When someone says, I'm a huge fan of, they're expressing a strong liking or admiration for a person, place, thing, or concept. The word huge amplifies the level of interest or enthusiasm, making it more than just a casual liking. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from talking about celebrities, movies, and music to hobbies, books, and food. To help you understand how versatile this phrase is, let's look at some examples in different contexts. Celebrities and entertainment. I'm a huge fan of Taylor Swift. I've listened to all her albums. Sports. I'm a huge fan of basketball. Watching games is one of my favorite pastimes. Hobbies. I'm a huge fan of painting. It's so relaxing and fulfilling. Books and authors. I'm a huge fan of J.K. Rowling. Her Harry Potter series is magical. Food. I'm a huge fan of Japanese cuisine. Sushi is my go-to dish. Now that you've seen examples, it's time to think about how you can use I'm a huge fan of in your own conversations. Remember, this phrase is great for making connections with others who share similar interests. It's also a wonderful way to express your personality and the things that you're passionate about. Practice saying this phrase followed by something you truly love. It's a fantastic icebreaker. And that wraps up our guide on the phrase, I'm a huge fan of. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now more comfortable using this expression in your English conversations. Expressing enthusiasm and interests is a vital part of language learning, and we're huge fans of students like you who are dedicated to improving their skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.